Hello everyone, welcome you all to the Indus Business School. Today we have with us Mr. Aditya Kulkarni, Deputy General Manager, HR-Panchshil Realty. Welcome to the institute, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. My pleasure.
You had an interaction with the students and you told them about attitude, potential and personality. These three things are very, very important. Can you please explain me about them?
Yeah, sure. The session or see what I have learned and observed couple of years, it's people do have potential, but they need to have the right attitude to get in the corporate world, because what I believe corporate world hires is not exactly the competency or skill set, because that I believe the corporate, the places where they can help the students to learn, develop and grow and enhance their competencies and skills. But what I believe get hired ultimately by the corporate is the right attitude and potential. Rest is what corporate help them understand and learn.
Great, sir. You're absolutely right. So, apart from academics, what all behavior skills they should learn in these 2 years so that they can easily be adjusted?
Absolutely. What the corporates are more interested and would help these students to grow in this world is the communication skill, which has become a paramount nowadays. They need to be a problem solver, someone who is very adaptable, flexible, agile, and ready to develop new skill sets. Good usage of technology, well versed with the technology, good in collaboration, good in networking with people is something when it comes to management is required. It's not just the academics, but the softer skills, the personality that you carry, the confidence level, the conviction that you carry along with in your profession, your negotiation skills, your communication skills in general, your presentability, you helping people to help them your perspectives or what you are wanting to sell them or convince them is very important, because the softer aspects that play a major role when it comes to management field, which is a less technical field.
You have a vast professional experience, so I like to know that what advice you would like to give to the students who are just entering into the corporate world.
Being an academician by nature, don't stop learning. Learning at times student believe MBA करना है, PGDBM करना है, 2 साल हमको मेहनत करनी है, फिर पढ़ना कहाँ है? Learning is a journey. You need to learn continuously. That is one. These 2 years are best part of your life, where you can sit in libraries. You can spend good time with your professors. You can learn the subject to the core. You can dedicate your number of hours, flexible time to your studies, so you should make best use of these 2 years. You should not leave any single hour to get rest. Plan, have good goal, set a goal for yourself, utilize your time well, give best and have a good faith in your institute and your professors. Once you are done with these 2 years, industry is waiting there for you all people. And we have many institutes, international, local universities, we have government universities, national universities, a huge competition outside. You need to increase your employability, you need to be the right metal to sustain in that competition, you need to be aspirant, the best among the lot, so that you can have a place for yourself.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
For
My
joining
pleasure.
us.
Thank you.